Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. 450 employees at Muncie's manual transmissions plant will lose their jobs this summer. The workers were notified last Friday of the layoffs. Manual Transmissions is owned by General Motors. However, supervisors don't know if GM will continue to control the plant or if it will even stay in operation. Word of the impending job loss has caused some to take early retirement.
Because he was afraid they were going to shut down the plant and he didn't want to lose all his benefits.
855 people currently work at Manual Transmissions. The layoffs take effect July 19th. Governor Joe Kernan says he pledges to work with the community, Chamber of Commerce, and Vision 2006 to find new jobs for manual transmission employees. Governor Kernan expressed his concern for the workers and says he has plans in progress to provide for those laid off.
That will include opportunities for additional training. It will include unemployment assistance if that becomes necessary. It will include the kind of support that we can provide in working with the local community to make sure that we are hustling in order to bring new job opportunities to Muncie, to Delaware County.
Plans for a resource center similar to one in Grant County for fired Thompson workers is under consideration. Today's hot weather sparked a small fire at the Borg-Warner plant in Muncie. It happened around 11 this morning at the south end of the plant. Fire investigators say a pile of flammable rags containing small amounts of magnesium burst into flames because of the hot weather. Delaware County Emergency Management responded to the fire along with the Muncie Fire Department. The fire was out in less than an hour. There was little damage to the plant and no injuries. Now here's Carrie Hazley with a look at our forecast. Carrie?
Thanks, Chris. We start things with a look at tonight's forecast. We could see some light rain and maybe a stray thunder shower. Overnight low tonight will be 63 degrees. We'll take a look at precision cast. We can time out that rain. We start this at 10 p.m. tonight. Rain and clouds already in place, and the change sticks around through the overnight hours. 6 a.m. this morning. Still a chance for some rain as we head through the day on Thursday. Things start to clear out. We could see some clouds and a few pop-up thunder showers tomorrow. 80 degrees will be the high on Thursday. And if we take a look at the 5-day forecast, we will cool down for the weekend. Friday's high, 78 degrees. We cool all the way down to 69 degrees for the high on Saturday. Chris?
Thanks, Carrie. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.